So I've got this Sonos subwoofer here, very shiny. Doesn't do anything, totally dead. Tried doing all the reset procedure, nothing happens. So open her up, see what we can see. I think the repairability score of this thing is 0. Essentially they've just used this like cheap aluminium and they've just double-sided taped it to the side of the thing. The problem is it's that thin, it literally just deforms just touching it. Like you pull it upwards to pull it off and it just deforms the hell out of it. So it's just like the nastiest, cheapest crap ever. Well, that's one extra step to that side panel off now. Get all these screws. Just have a quick look on this side of the board. Can't see anything bad. And so I just looked at that board, can't see anything. So I'll take this power board out and see what we can see. So yeah, I didn't really see anything blown up on this. So that's the AC side, DC side. Any suspect thing is like that. It's a bit iffy, which turns out to be that chip there. But yeah, so I'll plug her in and see whether it's actually generating any DC or not to start with. So yeah, AC is getting on that side. We are getting DC on some of these circuits here. So the bridge rectifier is working. Yeah. Right, so after inspecting it under the board, look, we found R37's fried, R77's fried, and I don't know what else, but something's caused it. They don't just randomly blow for no reason. On the back of the board there's this diode as well. This is also short. Right, so diode removed, short on this side gone. Right, so no beep, beep. So the diode's working there. We'll find all the other bits. There we go. So we replace R77, Q10, R37 and the diode on the back. Right, so we have life. Just got it plugged in and testing it. I'm not actually sure what flashing means. I'm presuming it needs pairing, but I shall see what's going on in a minute and the extra instruction. Right, so we have a solid light now, so that means it's booted up apparently. So that should mean it's fixed. All we're going to do now is try and sort these stupid things out, because it's just made out of the weakest, crappiest metal ever. There we go, got all the boards screwed back in now. Let's go get the size. Right, that's the 5,000 screws done. Well, that's one side on, and then this stupid bezel. Bezel's like essentially made of cheese. Literally just bend it, just literally by breathing on it pretty much. So yeah, not too bad. Let's get this other side put on now. There we go, boom, we're on. We are working back together, job done.